Gorgeous is a manufacturer of advanced ceramic products, offering a wide range of ceramic heating elements. Based on professional ceramic heating element production and R&D, we adhere to technological innovation and are a high-tech enterprise integrating product development, production, and sales. Our main products include MCH ceramic heating elements, high-temperature alumina/silicon nitride ceramic igniters, water heating ceramic heating elements, and small battery pack heating elements. We also offer customized services to meet diverse customer needs. With a professional R&D team, advanced equipment, and a strict online production quality control system, we are committed to providing you with the best heating element solutions.